Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how you can split your clips into two clips or your footage into two clips. Let's say you have this long clip and my man, you just want to clip it, make it into two. So split it. I mean, alright. So how do you do that? Okay, so it's very easy. There's three type of ways you can do this. Okay, so just follow me how to do this carefully. All right, so uh, this is your clip. All right, this is a footage from Call of Duty Warzone that I play, and shall do this video and put it on the channel or Facebook. I'll see what I put. All right, so how do you split it? All right, so I have my footage. I imported it from here to there. So I go here to this thing. I don't know what do they call this. Alright, it's from the index. Alright, so there's something called blade. Alright, we have it here, blade. Cut clips with the blade tool. You click on it. Alright, so now you have the blade icon. Okay, so let's say you want to cut or split your video or clip from here. So you just click on the left click and voila, you got it. That's it. This is how you do it the first way. This is like the noob way. All right, let me show you like the pro ways. All right, so the pro way is how you do it. All right, you can use your keyboard. This is what's so funny and what's so cool actually about Final Cut Pro, that you can use your keyboard without going to use the mouse like everywhere. Like, I have to go here and there and there. I need to do a lot of things. No, on Final Cut Pro you can use your keyboard. This is what's so good about it. All right, so how you gonna do this? There's two shortcuts for this. Either you press B. Where's the mouse? Yeah, I lost my mouse. Okay, so either you press B and select where you want to cut it. Okay, but let's say you don't have just one clip. You have a lot of stuff right here. Let's say three clips, a clip and a separate audio, maybe some typings you did, some captions, I mean, stuff like that. So you want to cut, so you just go here anywhere empty and let's click. This is how you do it actually. And yeah, so as you can see here, we did it. All right, so how you can do it the other way? All right, let's say, let me unclip that. All right, so let's say my thing is right here, my player thing is here, but I wanna dive into the moment. I wanna cut this specific moment I just saw. So all we have to do is press Command B, and as you can see here, it's already been cut or separated. So you got the tool that you can split your videos or clips with it. Alright, so you have a montage or something like that, this will do to you. If you want another tutorial on Final Cut Pro, please type in the comments what you want. There's a tool, a certain tool you don't know how to use it, maybe stuff like that. Just tell me, I'll help you do that. And if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.